So here we have our middle size Toyota Rocker Switch dual USB. Obviously you have a quick charge on there and like audio pass through. So a quick charge is going to get you like 18 watts to your phone, like allow you to charge your phone quickly. And the audio pass through is going to give you a tidy finish to one of our USBs from our head unit. Now these will fit middle size Toyota Rocker panel switches. So majority of cars that have those are your Toyota Prados and your Toyota 200 series. Now at the back here you got a couple things coming out of here. So you got, one's a USB that's going to plug into our USB port, into our CarPlay like Android Auto one, and the other is a piggyback cable. So if you pull the cigarette, if you go to the back of your cigarette plug, it's going to have this like standard plug on it, and you can just unplug that and piggyback off that power. And like that, so you can power this. Again, if that's too hard to get to, because on some of the early Prados it can be a bit of a pain to get to, you can just chop these and just connect these to a 12 volt ACC and ground power source. So this is the plug with our head units. It's obviously got two USBs coming off it and an external mic port. The one that says CarPlay and Android Auto, plug that into there. And that's just going to pass through that USB port to here and give you like a nice tidy one. Just tidy it up for you.